BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm going to be doing chutney for you, which is super easy to make and really tasty. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Our coriander almond chutney is ready. It's really quick, like I told you. It's a medicinal herb. It has excellent digestive properties and it also helps you to lower blood sugar levels. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get information of all our videos and amazing awesome recipes. Thank you so much and see you next time.